हाय डियर एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम टू अर्पिता शर्मा क्लासेस। मैं हूं अर्पिता शर्मा, आपकी एजुकेटर, एंड टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अनदर important editorial in the Hindu newspaper today. AUKUS could rock China's boat in the Indo-Pacific. AUKUS, as you all know, we have already studied this in our previous lectures. What is AUKUS? It's a new trilateral security partnership. Now here, AUKUS. Now here AU means Australia. AU का मतलब इधर क्या है? ऑस्ट्रेलिया है. And over here UK means, UK का मतलब तो आपको पता ही है, United Kingdom. UK means United Kingdom. Okay. And over here US means, US का मतलब क्या है? US means United States. So now you understood why it has been named as AUKUS, because it's a trilateral security partnership. Please write it down. इसको लिख लीजिए. ये एक trilateral security partnership है. PS means partnership amongst three nations: Australia, UK and US. And why this partnership has been formed? इसको क्यों बनाया गया है? Write it down. For ensuring freedom and openness in the Indo-Pacific. Indo-Pacific region में फ्रीडम और ओपननेस को इंश्योर करने के लिए इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को तैयार किया गया है इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन में. And under the agreement, America and Britain proposed to transfer technology to build a fleet of nuclear-powered submarines for Australia within 18 months. 18 महीने के अंदर, write it down, इस चीज को लिख लो. So this is AUKUS. Okay, the agreement aims to ensure that there will be enduring freedom and openness in the Indo-Pacific region. And under this agreement, Australia को 18 months के अंदर nuclear powered submarines दी जाएगी, उसको बनाने की टेक्नोलॉजी दी जाएगी. And these submarines are to be conventionally armed and they are powered by nuclear reactors. So it will give Australia the naval heft in the Pacific region, where the China has been particularly aggressive. And that is why China is, right now getting very threatened because of this partnership. China अभी बड़ा critical है इस partnership को लेकर, क्योंकि इंडो पैसिफिक रीजन में चाइना डोमिनेट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है और वहीं ऑस्ट्रेलिया को न्यूक्लियर पावर्ड सबमरीन्स देकर पावरफुल बनाने की कोशिश की जा रही है. तो चाइना थोड़ा सा अभी इस पार्टनरशिप और ग्रुपिंग को लेकर क्रिटिकल है. ओके. Now, the partnership complements several pre-existing similar kind of arrangements also for the Indo-Pacific region. For example, ASEAN, Quad grouping, right? Then the Five Eyes Intelligence Cooperation Initiative. All of that we will study in this lecture. So I am really excited to cover this editorial in detail because it's going to target your GS paper 2, International Relations. Okay, so let's get started, and please do not forget to make notes simultaneously in the class. Class में simultaneous notes लेते रहिएगा, ठीक है? See over here, now we are going to study the concerns. यहाँ पर I have also mentioned in the editorial the concerns for emergence, for formation, behind the formation of AUKUS. First concern is the ASEAN factor. ये पहला concern है, ASEAN factor. There is a matter of ASEAN disunity over the emergence of AUKUS. Now here, first of all, let us understand in ASEAN what are the nations which are covered in ASEAN. We have Malaysia, write it down. Okay. Then we have Singapore. Then we have Brunei. We have Vietnam. All right. We have Laos, Cambodia, Indonesia, Philippines, Thailand and Myanmar. These are the nations which are a part of ASEAN. And even though AUKUS is not a defense alliance, issues like strategic threats which are posed by China, they are also a matter of concern for AUKUS. वैसे तो AUKUS में US and UK have specifically said, over here you will read about it, they have specifically said that AUKUS is not a defense alliance. Okay, but still for them also, because it's an Indo-Pacific region partnership, so China's domination is also a threat for AUKUS. And Australia has clearly assured its commitment to the ASEAN. Right, ASEAN को भी ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने अपना कमिटमेंट दिया है that we are going to support nuclear free zone treaty, but here Australia is going to receive nuclear powered submarines. So that is why the ASEAN factor is you can say a matter of concern. इसीलिए आसियान फैक्टर जो है कंसर्न का कारण है, ठीक है, परेशानी का कारण है इधर। क्यों? क्योंकि ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने कमिटमेंट दी थी आसियान नेशंस को कि हम न्यूक्लियर साउथ ईस्ट एशिया को न्यूक्लियर वॉर फ्री न्यूक्लियर वेपन फ्री जोन बनाएंगे, हम न्यूक्लियर वेपन्स का कम से कम इस्तेमाल करेंगे। बट ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज टेकिंग द डिलीवरी ऑफ विद इन 18 months द फ्लीट ऑफ न्यूक्लियर पावर्ड सबमरीन। सो हियर द कमिटमेंट इशू विल बी देयर, ठीक है। सेकेंड, ओवर हियर यू विल स्टडी अबाउट इट, यहाँ पर आप सेकेंड कंसर्न इज द चाइना फैक्टर। Now the next is China factor. Now here the rise of China, particularly its rapid militarization and aggressive behavior, it is undoubtedly the trigger for the emergence of the AUKUS agreement. China has criticized AUKUS as an exclusive bloc that gravely undermines regional peace and security. And it reflects a Cold War mentality. This is the statement by China. China basically thinks that AUKUS is like a Cold War mentality wherein you are trying to, shoot, you can say, show your guns or put your guns towards us. राइट, चाइना का कहना यह है कि आप बंदूक हमारी तरफ पेश करवा रहे हो इस ऑकस ग्रुप को बनाकर, ठीक है। चाइना इसको एक एक्सक्लूसिव ब्लॉक कहकर क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है। So this is the concern for the emergence of AUKUS. Now another important point that you should understand is that what is the significance of this decades old partnership. इस particular partnership का significance क्या है? Here in this paragraph you will understand the significance, the importance of AUKUS. Okay, before we study further, here's a small announcement. Unacademy is launching new batches which are starting from 10th of November. अभी 2 दिन बाद Unacademy Plus पर नए batches start हो रहे हैं UPSC CSE के। We have 2022 preparation batch and 2023 preparation batch as well. And these are Mission 2022 comprehensive batch course. These are in bilingual language also, English language also, Expedition 2022. Similarly, we have Mission 2023 batch and Expedition 2023 batch again in bilingual and English language. And you can get exclusive 10% discount if you use code ARPITA10. अगर आप ये code use करते हो तो आपको एकदम direct 10% का discount मिलेगा आपके subscription पर। So make sure that you take your subscription today. आज के आज अपना subscription ले लीजिए Unacademy Plus पर batch start होने से पहले, because we have India's best faculty on Unacademy Plus to guide you throughout your UPSC CSE journey. And for the 2021 main aspirants, we have started a batch for answer writing which has already started on 25th of October. तो ये 25 अक्टूबर से बैच स्टार्ट हो गया है, 2-3 महीने का बैच रहेगा जिसके अंदर हम मेंस पे आंसर राइटिंग स्किल्स पे फोकस करेंगे। तो अगर आप 2022 के भी स्टूडेंट हैं और मेंस को अच्छा करना चाहते हैं तब भी आप इस बैच में एनरोलमेंट ले सकते हैं। Again, the links of all these batches are given below in the description box. And also for preliminary aspirants, the prelims students preparing for prelims, we have launched free test series for UPSC CSE on Unacademy's learning app with the name Abhiyan, which is a daily static quiz Monday to Friday 10 AM in the morning. It is conducted 15 minutes का ये quiz होता है in both Hindi and English language. Then we have T20 daily current affair टेस्ट सीरीज, 15 मिनट की टेस्ट सीरीज रहती है हिंदी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में 7:30 बजे मंडे से फ्राइडे, रोज शाम को 7:30 बजे कंडक्ट होती है। एंड एवरी संडे एज यू ऑल नो वी हैव ऑल इंडिया स्कॉलरशिप, ठीक है, Unacademy Combat. इट्स अ फ्री स्कॉलरशिप विच इज कंडक्टेड एवरी संडे एट 11 AM इन द मॉर्निंग। 60 मिनट का ये हर संडे को एक स्कॉलरशिप बेस्ड टेस्ट रहता है, प्रीलिम्स के परस्पेक्टिव से कंडक्ट होता है। सो वी हैव बोथ द पेड एंड द फ्री resources and new batches and courses for all of you. Make sure that you subscribe to Unacademy Plus today. Now, when we look at the significance of the AUKUS, or you can say this partnership, it's a decades-old partnership because first, the US and UK along with Australia, they have fought together as allies in the Second World War. So through the defense partnership, they were together in Second World War. So it's a very old partnership. It's not a newly shared relationship. And also second point is very important. US shared nuclear weapons technology with UK after the merging of UK's nuclear weapon program with American Manhattan Project in 1943. Again, very important point. So many years ago, in 1943, even before India got its independence, UK and US together, they were together working on the nuclear weapon program. And third important point is that the first UK test was conducted in 1952 in Montebello Islands in Australia. Now there's a very important fact about Montebello Islands, because Montebello Island still regards the British monarch as the head of the state. Okay. There's a Governor General actually in Montebello Islands which represents British Queen. And the fourth important point is the transfer of sensitive submarine technology by US to the UK. It's an arrangement based on the long-standing Mutual Defense Agreement of 1958. US और UK जो न्यूक्लियर टेक्नोलॉजी को शेयर कर रहे हैं ना, ये म्यूचुअल डिफेंस अग्रीमेंट ऑफ 1958 के तहत अभी तक चल रहा है. Okay. Now there are other areas also which are covered. For example, cyber capabilities will be shared in this AUKUS arrangement, artificial intelligence, quantum technologies, etc. And all these three nations will also play a very important role in the US-led programs like Build Back Better World, Blue Dot Network, Clean Network, to meet the challenge of China's Belt and Road Initiative. All these points are listed over here. We have just segregated them according to our mains answer writing. ओके तो ये मेंस आंसर राइटिंग में ये पॉइंट्स आपको बहुत हेल्प करेंगे. दैट इज हाउ यू फ्रेम कंटेंट इन आंसर राइटिंग इन मेंस. When you read the editorials, you know how to take out different points for your GS paper 2 or other respective papers. So here in the conclusion, it is basically, concluded, the author has concluded that AUKUS provides an opportunity to the US to place proxy submarine forces to limit China's, dominance, especially in the Pacific Ocean. Okay, point clear? So this is all about this editorial. ये है आपका आज का editorial. AUKUS could rock China's boat in the Indo-Pacific region. I hope you enjoyed understanding this editorial. Make sure you go through the this paragraph. ठीक है, इस paragraph को जरूर पढ़िएगा. This whole entire paragraph. This is important for your solution in the mains.